Rusty marks the spot. Ahoy, ye landlubber! Ha-ha! Prepare to set sail, ye scallywags!
Rusty?
Oh, hey, Ruby. I'm just, being a pirate.
I can see that. Why?
Because I found something super cool. Hey, Jack?
Hello!
An old wooden box?
Not just any old wooden box.
An empty old wooden box?
That's what I thought, too. Until I looked a little closer.
A secret compartment!
Yep, and look what's inside.
A map? It's Sparkton Hills. Only a long time ago. And look, Rusty Rivets IV. Is that your great-great-granddad?
I'd say he was my great-great-grand pirate. See? 3 X's. That's what pirates used to mark things they wanted to find later.
Find the spot the X's mark. Across the town and in the park. Follow the map alone or together. It'll lead you to buried treasure.
Told you it was super cool.
The first X is in the forest. It's gonna be a lot of digging. Do we have any turbo shovels?
Nope, we're just gonna need a little help from our crew. Gather around me, hearty. We be going on an adventure for treasure, we are.
Let's just go.
'Kay. Is somewhere here in the forest. Wait a minute. Where did I put the map?
I've got us covered. I scanned it into my tablet. Now we'll always have a digital copy.
Smart thinking, Ruby. So according to the map, the first X is under ye old crooked tree.
Does anyone see a crooked tree around?
I think that's just a tree you're accidentally stepping on, Botasaur.
Maybe it isn't a crooked tree, but that is...
Awesome! This is the spot.
Let's dig in. Botasaur? He found something!
Maybe it's gold.
Maybe it's jewels. Maybe it's a pile of old wood.
They must have been important to my great-great-granddad if you bothered to bury them. But what are they for?
Wait! There's something carved in the wood. It's a message! It's a message from your great-great-granddad. Finding these pieces means you're clever and wise. Keep searching, me mateys, to reach your next prize.
I like the sound of that. Time to bolt!
So the next X is somewhere here in the park on some kind of big round thing.
Let's split into teams and find something big and round. Nice try, guys, but I don't think that's it.
I don't think that's the big round thing we're looking for either. Sorry, Officer Carl.
What is it, boy? Of course! The old sundial is big and round. The perfect place for buried treasure to hide.
Now what? We can't just dig through it.
We'll find a way.
Cool!
Told you we'd find a way.
There's a hole.
What kind of treasure would fit down there? It's super dark.
Ray? Shed some light on the situation, would ya?
There's definitely something in there. This looks like a job for my grabber attachment. I I've got it!
Awesome! Is it gold or jewels? Oh, good. More wood.
Whoa! These wooden poles are really long! Thanks, Botasaur! What do we do with these?
Message!
Great job, Jack. There's another message. 2 more pieces of puzzle you found. Now head to the beach and be seaward bound.
A puzzle? That means the wooden panels in these poles must go together somehow. This isn't just treasure we're finding. We're actually making something.
So the last puzzle piece must be at the next X.
Come on, everyone. Let's load up and head for the beach. 73, 74, 75.
Well, hello there, kids. It is a nice day for counting.
Hi, Mr. Higgins.
That's one nifty treasure map you've got yourselves there.
We're looking for the last X.
And just a few more paces.
Mind if I join in on the fun?
Sure. 98, 99, 100. Huh? The last X should be right here.
Whirly, stop! Use your scanner vision to see if you can find anything.
Great Caesar salad! An X!
Time to dig. I've got it!
What is it?
It looks like the wheel from an old wooden cart.
What can you do with one wheel?
Wheels are also used for steering. And if we've learned anything from the other pieces, there should be another clue.
The pieces you found a new vessel make. Combine it, design it. Then fair winds to the lake?
What does that mean?
It's what sailors used to say to each other when they started a voyage. It means good luck.
So we need to build something with all these puzzle pieces and head out to the lake. But where exactly? The last X. Thanks, Whirly. That must be the treasure. And whatever we build will get us there.
Let's combine it
and design it. First, we take the wood parts we found in the forest and put them together.
Then we add on the skinny poles we found under the sundial.
And we combine them with the old steering wheel. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. My great-great-granddad's pirate ship. Wait, what's this? From clues that I've given, you've built what I've shown. Now add something new and make it your own. Make it our own? Modified, customized, Rustify. The new, improved, and fully Rustified Power Pirate Ship 1650.
Wow! All right, Captain, let's see what the ship can do.
Arr! Prepare to bolt, matey.
The treasure should be right here.
A lot of pirates have hooks, but we have a claw. Let's see what's down there. We've got something. A treasure chest. Arr! An antique hammer.
Ooh! And look! Rubies! For Ruby.
Check it out. They left some cool pirate gear in here, too. Want to try it on, Bitz?
Inventor.
You look more like a pirate already, Jack. This treasure hunt was awesome.
But it's time we headed back to shore.
Ruby, what is that?
I don't know. This telescope was in the treasure chest. It's another treasure map.
So, you still want to head back to shore?
Arr! There be treasure to find. Full steam ahead.
Aye, aye. Rusty's Bitz on the Fritz. Okay, tighten up the fasteners and it's all done. I just need my screwdriver. Thanks, Jack. Now to give it a quick wipe down. Thanks, Whirly.
It's like you know what we want, even before we do. Thanks, guys.
No problem.
Is it ready? Is it ready? Is it ready? Is it ready?
Almost. We're just about to test out the Copycat 500.
Cool. What's it do? Anything we put in here gets zapped, and out pops a perfect copy. Can you copy my car?
Sure. Ruby, power it up.
Don't you just love the sound of science?
Looks like it worked.
Sweet! Now I have 3 cars to play with. Cool! I don't need my remote to drive them.
And they're different colors.
Is it just me, or are these copy cars acting kinda weird?
Maybe the Copycat still needs some adjustments.
Good thing we added a reverse setting. Let's round them up.
Bitz, can you catch them?
Are you guys okay?
Good work, everyone. Let's get the car back to the way it was. And reverse.
Awesome! Good as new. The reverse button works great, but the copying part, not so great.
We'll fix it to make perfect copies later. Let's hit the park first.
The park? Yes!
Right after we clean up this mess.
No! And the Bitz get their bath. But all that'll take forever. Don't worry. Nothing gets the Bitz into their washer faster than bath time tunes. Come on, Bitz. Have a good bath while we clean up the yard. This is gonna take forever to clean up. I have the perfect plan. Quick, Bitz, into the Copycat. Is that the...
Oh, no.
Liam, wait!
What's in there?
The answer to all our problems. Whoa! Look at all those bits! Exactly! They'll help us clean up super fast.
Oops. Oops.
This is a little problem.
Don't worry. We'll just reverse it, like we did with the car.
Right. I'll call them all back. Oh! The Bitz aren't responding. Guys. Oh, no! We've got to catch them.
Time to bolt. copy bits go?
They should be right here.
I don't need all this light to drive, thank you.
What?
Thank you.
Hey! Whoa, this is one big shipment of waffle cones. Awesome! Hey, no! Don't crush those boxes. They're still full of waffle cones. Wait a minute. There's one crush, and another crush, and crush again? Whoa, I need to lay down. Oh, good. It was just a dream.
These copy bits are making a mess all over town.
A mega mess. The copies are definitely not working right. The bits usually help people.
Guys, I don't think I like this kind of help. Actually, this is kind of fun.
We really need a plan to catch those copy bits. We'll catch those copy bits no problem with the inescapable hover cage 5000. Now we wait.
But not for long. Look! A little closer. Now!
Got 'em! I knew that inescapable hover cage would work.
Inescapable?
What? They're escaping! But how?
Through the manhole.
How are we ever gonna catch those metal copy bits?
Rusty, you just said the magic word.
Abracadabra?
No, metal. And we've got just the thing.
The magnet crane! Great idea, Ruby. This will be perfect to pick up those copy bits.
And now's our chance. Look, copy jacks at 12 o'clock.
Time to nab our first magnet full of bits.
We've got him now. That could have gone better. Hi, guys.
Liam, you're back!
And you brought the copy bits. Yeah, it's kind of weird. They've been following me ever since I hopped in my truck and put on this great bath time song. Huh?
Wait a second. We've been going about this all wrong. Instead of running around trying to catch the bits,
We get them to come running to us. Please make a cool vehicle. Please make a cool vehicle.
all we need is a cool vehicle.
Yahoo! Let's combine it.
And design it. First, we start with the magnet crane.
Then we add the Copycat 500 and a bunch of brushes from the bit washer.
And because the bits love their bath time tunes, we'll add a souped-up sound system with a megaphone. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, Rustify. The Super Bit Fix Trap Action Contraption 5000.
Woohoo! Yes!
Let's go get those copy bits and change them back to normal.
Whoa! Look at this mess. We must be close.
We've just got to keep our eyes open for those copy bits.
Hey, Rusty, what's up?
Okay, I think we found them. Ruby, it's bath time.
Hey, where are you guys going?
It's working! Activating scrub brushes. All right, they're in the copycat. And reverse.
Aren't they back to normal?
It worked!
Yay! The bits are back. I'm sorry, guys. This is all my fault. By trying to find a shortcut, I just made more of a mess all over town.
Don't worry, Liam. The real bits are already on it.
Hold on, you guys. I'll help. Did it work?
Let's find out. Now this is what the copycat was meant for. Copy cones! But next time, I think we should go for raspberry.
Yeah!